A vacuum cleaner robot here. Check it out. Vacuuming up my floors. I don't have to do nothing. Vacuum cleaner robot. What y'all think about this one? Thing that's get my floors right. I don't have to do nothing to it. Check him out. Boy, stop playing with me. Stop playing with your boy. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Look at this. Thing vacuum my floors. I don't have to do nothing. That's AI for you. That's what's taking y'all jobs. 5 years from now, it won't be no jobs. Robots gonna be flipping burgers. Look at that. That's AI for you right there, boy. That's taking all y'all jobs out here. Education ain't gonna be needed. Look at there. That thing clean and move on to the next spot. Look at that AI, man. I'm telling you, AI gonna take all y'all jobs out here. Education ain't gonna be needed. Look how smart you is. Look at robots gonna take it. Look at there. This the Elon Musk style right here, boy. Look at that. Elon, boy. Y'all ain't gonna have no jobs out here. Look at that. That thing going on by the business, boy. Look at that. Y'all think I'm just playing, right? AI. Look at that. Education ain't gonna be needed. Walmart already done started it. Look at that thing going on by this business. Look. Otherwise, clean, move to the next spot. Clean, move to the next spot, man. Stop playing with him. Look at that. Look at that. Thing move where the dirt at. And move where it senses dirt. Look how it's sweeping. Look at that. AI, boy, taking all the jobs. Next 5 years won't be no job. So you know what? Your education ain't gonna be needed. You got enough medical doctors already. See? And some of them ain't hitting on nothing. So some of the medical doctors ain't nothing either. They about good as I am, some of them. Shit. Alright, y'all, hit that subscribe. They ain't better than I am. I'm out. Peace.